High wind warning, St. Lawrence County. Governor New York has lost power. I don't know about my friends in Watertown. Right there, that's a boat that blew over here. Hoping the boat don't blow into. That's the boat trailer. I'm just hoping it don't blow into anybody's vehicle or house or hurt anybody. You can probably see the trees all over. Nice Christmas lights blowing all over. We hadn't lost power yet. I know we had like the lights flicker for like a second. Suppose he's supposed to go on until 4 a.m. in the morning. I have no idea. Care less, I can go without power. This 5-day storm in 98, so I think I could just survive a little mini windstorm. People crying about no power. Look at freaking Kentucky when they got a bad tornado and people are missing. We got people up here crying because they lost power. Whoopee. Or their cell phones don't work. Not the end of the world because you don't have power. This generation, they rely on technology too much. There's that boat again. Boat trailer. We'll run out to the next one. I'll give you updates if it gets worse.